Hello everyone, let's see another geometry problem from NMTC Junior Level 1. Problem says in the adjoining figure A is a point inside the triangle PQR such that AP equals to AQ equals to AR. Given that x plus 2y equals to 109 degree and 3x minus y is 54 degree, then we need to find the value of angle Z in degrees. Now, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Let's see the solution of this problem. Here, since we have been given that AP equals to AQ is equals to AR, so we will mark these sides. Here we can see that we have three isosceles triangle in this given triangle. So with the help of that, I can mark this angle as angle X in isosceles triangle QAP. The similar way, I can mark this angle as angle Y and this angle as Z. Since these two sides are equal in this triangle and these two sides are equal in this triangle. So the angle opposite to equal sides are equal in a triangle. That's why we have marked these angles. Now, we have been given two equations, that is x plus 2y is equals to 109 degree and 3x minus y is equals to 54 degree. With the help of these two equations, we can very easily calculate the value of angle x and angle y. Now, since we have the value of angle x and y, we have lots of angle in this triangle. The remaining angle is only the angle z. So we will apply the angle sum property in this triangle, that is angle P plus Q plus R is equals to 180 degree. On substituting the value in terms of x, y and z and then putting the value of x and y, we will get the value of z very easily. That comes out to be 20 degree. That's the answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video for more such content. Thanks for watching.